Good evening, I'm Shamika Neely. Vigo County school officials say they had no choice but to exclude more than 200 students from school this week because they lacked the chickenpox vaccination. Health officials say 69 cases had been reported in the county and most involved local students. The chickenpox vaccination is required by the state of Indiana. Director of Student Services Ray Azar says most parents have already taken care of the situation by having their child immunized, though they don't always agree with the state's decision. About 750 students in Terre Haute have been immunized since last Friday. A study from Indiana University's Kelley School of Business suggests the growth of Indiana could see a sharp slowdown in the next 3 decades. Kelley economic analyst Matt Kinghorn predicts baby boomers entering retirement in the next 10 to 15 years will contribute to the slowdown. And although more women have entered the workforce in recent years, Kinghorn says that number has peaked. To combat these forces, Kinghorn says local businesses need to hire more aggressively.
They may have to take a number of steps, including more actively working on job training and trying to do whatever we can to improve educational attainment among the workforce. Other factors, they may have to increase wages to attract the workers they need.
Bill Bartley owns the Indiana Running Company and is extending his employees' work hours as his business grows rather than hiring more workers. He says it's a matter of cost savings.
Personally, I think you're going to see a lot more movement towards part-time work because of the laws that are going into place that affect benefits for full-time people. And as a business person, you're just going to have to change and adapt so that you can survive and afford to stay in business.
Kinghorn says options to boost the labor force growth are limited. Employers can also try to persuade seniors to postpone their retirement or encourage young people to join the labor force earlier. A quick look at your weather tonight, mostly clear, lows in the mid-20s.